We will show you how to install your Onduclair PCMW, a polycarbonate multi-wall roof light, in a few easy steps. You will need the following equipment: an electric saw, a screwdriver, a measuring tape, a pen, a spirit level, and a set square. Personal safety in a work environment is important. We recommend to wear gloves and safety glasses and work on a stable support. Before getting started, check the structure of your roof. Onduclair products are recommended for roofs with a pitch of minimum 15%. The maximum distance between panels or rafters is 100 centimeters. It is important to check these points so that your installation can be optimized and durable. Onduclair multi-wall transparent sheets made of polycarbonate are extremely resistant. They allow excellent light transmission and thermal insulation. They are available in thickness 10mm or 16mm. They are therefore suitable for the roof of pergolas. Start by calculating the number of sheets you will need and take into account the different accessories to be fixed. The assembly of this system can be realized with polycarbonate or aluminium profiles. Let's start installing Onduclair sheets of 16mm with aluminium profiles. Start fixing the U-verge profile. Then install the first sheet till the abutment. Fix the intermediary profile into the first sheet and screw it on the purlins. Repeat the process till the opposite gable end. Fixations at eave should be put at the end of the installation. Install the shutter tapes at the top and bottom of the slope. Tapes used at the bottom are micro-perforated to enable condensation drain. Then install special U-end profiles and end caps for a best finish. Sheets can also be installed on a wall. In this case, you should use the half profile for ridge with the seal. As for an assembly with polycarbonate profiles, you should install the roofing system on rafters. The fixing is done through the sheets with screws. They should be put along the rafters spaced 1 meter apart. A pre-hole should be drilled for each screw position. The diameter of these holes must be 2mm wider than the screw itself to enable thermal expansion movements. Holes should be at least 30mm from the edges of the sheets. H-profiles are used as intermediary fixing elements between sheets. For the closing of upper, lower, lateral edges, you should use the specific U-blocking profile. Each junction of profiles between two Onduclair PCMW sheets should be sealed with a transparent and UV-resistant clear silicone. That's it! The installation of transparent Onduclair sheets is now finished. Remarks: clean your roof regularly, at least once a year. Use large quantities of lukewarm water with a non-abrasive household detergent and a sponge or clean cloth. The UV protection is on the same side as the printed film. You must position this side towards the outside. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our technical department.